is Muskan Inglani and welcome back to Hoiko. Today I'll be teaching you about the validation function of Hoiko. So what is validation? Basically, whenever you make a board and you want your team members to complete a task, so you can put a must sign over there in your status that it can only be changed to this status if it has these columns filled first. So basically I'll be explaining it to you in detail. So whenever you go on the status over here, and you can just go on the right hand side and see that was the validation option, but you can it'll be better if I show you where there are all the statuses available. So when you go on the three dots of any of your status, like I'm going on working on it and clicking on validation, you can see these are the two columns which are available in my board right now. What I chose was the bet that when that column is filled, only then they can change your status to this, like pending. It can only be changed when nothing is there, no owner, no chat. And done, for me it can change when owner and chat both are there, as I have checkboxed both of them. And redo I can only do when this is there. So I'll be clicking on it, and like this I have put a bet on over all the statuses. Whenever all that bets are complete, all that columns are must, only then it can be changed to that status. So pending was nothing. So whenever nothing is available or something is available in both of it, it can change to pending. So working on it had the bet of having the chat column filled, so it is there. But when I'm clicking on done, it's not changing the status, because for done, owner and status and chat, both of the columns should be filled. Right now owner is empty, so it is not changing the status to done. Like this, now no team member can change when you have put the validation. Over here also it's not being changed, so I'll be putting it as pending. Pending was when nothing is there, it can be pending. And then like this, you can put any of the validations you require, and put how many ever validations you want in whatever status you need. So like this, you can keep a better track of your team, and it will be pushing them to complete all their tasks.